My delicious upma is ready. Looks beautiful, right? Hi everyone, good morning to all of you and welcome back to the channel. It is 10:30 a.m. right now and I have just woken up, so it's a weekend, so I slept for quite late. Yesterday, as you guys saw that we went out and I came home at 2 o'clock. So I had a good sleep and I've just got up. Right now, the plan for the weekend is, as I was telling you, that I have to set up my house. It's in a mess. Like, after I've come from Miami, I have to actually set up my cupboard. It's in complete mess. Like, there are a lot of clothes, and I need to actually figure out a way to actually, settle things up. So that is something that I'm going to do, and trust me, that is one work. If you ask me to, do the utensils, do the cleaning and anything, I'll do, but setting up the cupboard and putting up the bed sheet and all of those things are like, I seriously don't like. But any which ways, you're staying alone, you're in US, you have to do all those things. So there is an event by Indian Graduate Student Association, okay? Sorry, organization, IGSO, Indian Graduate Student Organization. So back in US or in any other country, the maximum population of international students is either like India and China, okay? So ideally you would find that, there is an Indian community or, Indian committee kind of an organization thing in every abroad college that you ideally go to. So they conduct like a lot of events. So all your Holi, Diwali and all the festivals, everything is conducted in the same fashion. And it's like super grand, okay, that they do it for the college students and everything. But from past year also and this year also, due to COVID, a lot of things could not happen. So everything has turned online. So a lot of times they do a lot of fun activity. And I think we remember there was this Diwali event wherein there was this lucky draw and you had to dress up and all of that, everything online. But this was conducted. So in the afternoon today, there is an event which is called Sip and Paint, which is going to be conducted by Indian Graduate Student Organization. So I'm going to be participating in that. I've got the paint kit. They actually send it to my home. Doing up my pending work, like whatever assignments, projects, and some office work if it's pending, doing that and just chilling. It's Saturday night, so cooking some good food. I've not decided what I'm going to cook today, but yeah, that's something which is there in my mind, that I'll be cooking something good, cooking some good food, and yeah, chilling, Netflix and chill is the plan for today, because it's just 2 days that you get like relaxation, and then Monday onwards morning work starts. Okay, so stay tuned till the end of the vlog. If you guys have not watched my Miami vlog, so do watch all the vlogs. We had super fun. And let me know in comments, okay, how are you finding my vlogs? I've recently started this daily vlogging. I don't know how it's going, so do drop in comments and let me know how it's going. Too hot. Actually turned out to be too hot. I think I had to do it like for just 30 seconds. I did it for a minute. I wanted it a little hot, but it became too hot. Right now, I thought that, since it's a Saturday, I'm a breakfast person, okay? So usually, sometimes I get time, sometimes I don't get time, but I try to have like a good breakfast I was talking to you about. But if you are working and things like that, so sometimes it becomes difficult to actually get up and prepare in the morning. So today I thought it's a Saturday and I've not had upma since long. So I thought that I'll make upma. So I am making some good upma right now. I'll just show you. I've just added oil, nothing else, and here are my veggies. So it's a vegetable upma. I know a lot of people tell me, but whatever I cook, I try to make a version of myself, like the taste which I am going to like. So I have some chilies, tomatoes, carrots, this is onion. And here I have some frozen the broccoli and carrot mix. So that is what I'm going to add in there. Okay, I think this is done. I've already added salt. The things that I added is salt, turmeric, and a little bit of red chili powder, and along with that I've grated some ginger. Okay. So this is the semolina that I have. Now I'm going to just add it here. So there are multiple ways. I like to cook it this way, but there are like multiple ways you can. This is already roasted, so you need not roast this. So now this is, I like to have it like more veggie so that it's very nutritious. It's the first meal of the day. So there are like more veggies and less of suji. So if you add hot water, then you will get like softer suji or upma. This is all tried and tested, and all the gyan that I'm giving you is being inherited by my mom. See, my delicious upma is ready. Looks beautiful, right? Yeah, so I've just added, squeezed a little bit of lemon, and I've added this Haldiram Nimbu masala because you like it that way. But it's so healthy. It has all the vegetables and a perfect start to a day. So I'm going to enjoy this now. Hi everyone. So I was talking to you about in the morning about an event which is called Sip and Paint, which is going to happen today. Unfortunately, I couldn't attend the event. There was some misconception regarding the timing of the event. So I was out that time for some personal work. So I couldn't attend the event. And what I did was like I went out for my personal work, came back, and then slept for like 2 hours. It's a Saturday weekend, so I did that, slept for like 2 hours, and then I almost cleaned everything. I can just show you that, you know, only the vacuum cleaning part is left, and the mess that I had created before going to Miami, it's all cleaned now. So right now that's just one part left to vacuum clean. Once I'm done with that, I think it's going to take me another 30 minutes or 45 minutes or so. So after getting done with the vacuum cleaning and everything, I wanted to have dosa. So basically the thing is, if you want the dosa batter, you will get it only at Indian store. And from the place where I stay, I think in entire Boston there is like, you know, only two, India Market and Patel Brothers, which are in Waltham, and which is like, you know, quite far away from like my place. Or in general also, like, you know, even if I want to like buy something specific which is like an Indian grocery, I go there. So you don't get, for that matter, you don't even get curd here, so you get yogurt. So nearby stores you would not find that. Wanting to have the craving, like, you know, to have dosa since a long time, so I thought that, you know, why not try making the batter at home first time. I know it's very easy, but what happens is that, you know, with all the things that are going on, you tend to like, you know, too much busy schedule you have, so you tend to, like, you know, just buy and not. But today it was a weekend and I had some time, so I thought that, you know, why not make it from the scratch. So if you can see, this is the batter. So what I've done is, I'm still preparing. So I soaked 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of urad dal in water for about 2 to 3 hours. And then what I'm doing is I added green chilies and ginger, and I made a paste of it, and it's going to ferment. And I also added a little bit of salt. So what I am going to do is I'm going to keep it overnight, so that tomorrow I can have, like, you know, fresh dosas in the morning. So if I'm making it the entire day, and probably Monday also, it's going to be the same. It's going to be dosa. Idli, I don't have a stand, but I bake idlis, so something like that. By now you would have got that, you know, how big time foodie I am, although being a vegetarian. But I love, like, my taste buds are they can't eat the same thing again and again. So since I'm alone, I try to, like, you know, make something for myself. I know it's going to be too much food because it's a weekend, so, like, you know, I try to eat good and make all, like, I have time to actually cook a lot. Okay, so that is why it's going to be, because tomorrow, one more day, Sunday, I can chill and relax, and Monday is going to be again hectic. So the thing is, you also have to wash utensils. It's not just that, you know, cooking good food. So usually people say that, you know, if you tell them that you're staying abroad, you're going to be staying by all yourself, so you have a thing in your mind that, you know, oh, it's all about parties and going out and traveling and enjoying life. That's okay, but you don't have convenience of house help back in India the way you have. So starting from cooking to cleaning things, as you can see, a lot of things have already piled up, to vacuum cleaning the house, to cleaning your washroom. All of these things are part of staying alone, staying in US, staying abroad. Okay, hi guys. So I'm actually about to sleep. I switched off the lights and then I thought that, okay, I should be saying bye bye in the vlog. So the thing is, I spent like, 2.5 hours cleaning the whole house, like actually setting up my cupboard and then doing a lot of cleaning. I was so tired by the end of it, and I was not that hungry because I told you, right? It was 21 degrees outside today, so it was very hot. So I had one glass of strawberry milkshake and some upma that I made in the morning. It's 10 p.m. right now, but I thought that I'll just sleep because I was feeling sleepy. And if you don't sleep when you're feeling sleepy, then I'll be up like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. at night. And tomorrow is Sunday, so I thought I'll just sleep for like I'll sleep early today. Maybe I'll get up in the morning, say 5 o'clock, 4, 5 o'clock, whatever, 5, 6 maybe. I'll have a good sleep, and then if I wake up early tomorrow morning, so I'll have the full day to do like a lot of other work and get ready for next week, which is Monday. So good night, all of y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and are enjoying watching my vlogs. If you have some suggestions on what should I be doing, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll make sure that I implement all of those. And see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.